guys doing? So once again, this is Mark with No Blemish Mobile Detailing. It's Monday. We just want to tell you guys, God bless you guys. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys have a good week. It's supposed to be beautiful weather out here in Riverside County area. So today, hope you guys enjoy this video. We're kind of going to be doing a little bit of both, showing you guys some clips, but at the same time, we're also going to be talking to you guys about how to make more money for your auto detailing business. God bless you guys. We're going to get ready to start on this vehicle here, and we actually service this one once a month. It's real clean, nothing crazy, but when we come, what we do is we always offer, well, not offer, service, a premium service. So nothing too crazy. All right, guys, so for this vehicle, or video I should say, for this video today, we're actually, hopefully it could be useful for any of you guys. But if you find yourself as a new detailer, someone who's new, up and coming, getting started, trying to figure out a way how to make more money for your business, you know, one of the things that helps us out is that even though we offer all services, even like regular washes, our go-to is going to be our middle package. So we usually just have 3 packages for a detailing business, which is going to be our regular wash package, our premium service package, and then our full details. And then everything else on top of that is actually just going to be an add-on, as far as like a wash and a wax, clay and seal, one-step polish, paint enhancement, paint correction, ceramic coating, engine bay detail. All those other things that we offer are going to be extra services that we offer for our business. But we only have 3 packages, and of course, like for every package, now hopefully I don't start confusing you guys, but for every package you can always add on. So like our regular wash, we usually just offer vacuum, wipe down, one step wash method. There's no 2 bucket method, nothing like that. The customers are aware that, you know, this is just a regular wash service. Windows, door jambs, you know, just the basics. Premium service, that's actually going to be our middle package. So with that one, you know, it's going to be the full interior wipe down, deep cleans on the inside. That excludes shampoo, steam cleaning, stain removal. It has nothing to do with that. It's going to be more of a deeper scrub on all your surfaces on the inside. We use the air compressor, blow out all your carpet, the debris, the dust. We hit your vents. We do a pre-foam on the exterior before we make a contact wash. We do the tires, the rims, the inside of the barrels, the under the wheel weld. So that's a more detailed service there. But like I said, with those, like on our regular washes, you can always upgrade if you know, say if they want their dashboard treat it with conditioner, well, we can do that. If you want your front doors, if you want your front doors treated with conditioner, we can do that. If you want a regular wash but you have leather seats on the inside and you want your seats conditioned, we can do that also. But all that is going to be a upcharge. We're going to charge you X amount of dollars to add that into your service. But our go-to package for our business is going to be our premium services. So our premium services can be from anywhere from $100 to $175, depending on the size and the condition of your vehicle. And that's where us and our business, we see that we're making larger amounts of money. But also, we're not always going to be booked out with premium services if you're just growing. You know, and us, we're starting to go more full-time, but at the same time we are still working a part-time schedule, not because of work, but because of, you know, personal issues, wife works, the baby's at home, my kids, I got to pick up my kids, drop them off from school. And that's the blessing of having your own business, that you get to do those things. But we're not fully booked out with our premium services, but we do see a dramatic change in our numbers when coming to premium services. So take into consideration, if you were to go out and do regular wash services for $50, and I know there's a lot of people out there, they're gonna talk bad about the car wash guys. That's fine, let them do what they got to do. At the end of the day, do what helps you, bring in finances, not only for your business but for your family. If it's working, continue to do it. Don't worry about what the next man's doing. Do what works for you. Because I'll give you a tip, and I'll get back to what I was just saying. So just this Saturday, after all the rain, we had about 11 cars, and all those cars except one of them was a wash and a wax. Everything else was just regular car wash service. So if you're booking regular washes and you're charging accordingly, because I know there's guys out there charging $30, $40. I can't do it. Our packages for regular washers start at $50. They go up depending on the condition. So for example, if you're there and you're growing and you're selling car wash services, that's fine. Keep doing what you're doing. It's gonna work. You're gonna keep growing little by little. You'll start building a clientele. You'll have vehicles that you have to use wisdom about. If there's something more needed, you have to do that upcharge, that upsell. But just a Saturday, we had that amount of vehicles, and for that day, we brought in, I think it was like $750 just on car washes alone, and we were done by 3 o'clock. So that just shows you that even regular washes, they do bring in the money. So as the high-end detail guys, or the guys who are out there promoting themselves, hey, we're not a car wash, that's fine. Do what you guys do. But for us who have a family, we still have to provide. So at the end of the day, I rather do a car wash service that's going to bring in some finances than no finances. At the end of the week, it all adds up for us. But what I'm getting to is that our premium services, those are the best way to go. And I'll show you guys what a premium service is. Alright guys, so just finished up with the vacuum. One of the big differences here when it comes to our regular washes and our premium services is that on our regular washes, we just give it a wipe down. Our premium service, we get everything kind of like a deep scrub on all the panels, the doors, the seats, because it's leather. Price is a little bit different, not too much, but we hit all the cracks and the crevices here. I forgot the most important part. Forgot my rag. So see, that's the big difference here, is that everything gets scrubbed down, not just wiped down. Giving better results. So what you're doing is you're breaking down any oils from the hand, from the surface of the body that apply to the vehicle. You scrub it. So then just because we scrubbed it in that way, what happens is when we're finished, we have to put a conditioner on there to protect the plastics. And then also what we do is, if you can see here, what we're gonna do is we hit all your vents also. You don't just pass them by, but we hit all these vents, get them nice and cleaned out. See also the seats. We scrub them real good. We come with our clean microfiber rag to wipe it off. Like I said, this vehicle is really clean. It's a very clean family, and we just come once a month, and the conditions are always well kept. So all right guys, so here we are in the back area of the vehicle, just repeating the same process. We're applying our solution, and what we're doing is just giving it that extra scrub. We really do enjoy these Ninja pads, the larger ones. They cover more of the surface and they do the job a lot faster, so we'll leave those in the descriptions below. So we're all finished up with scrubbing down the full interior. What we're gonna go ahead and do now is, with our Meguiar's leather conditioner and our applicator pad, what we do is we actually treat all the plastics inside. On this side I might have put a little bit too much, but it's okay because I spread it. I know a lot of times it's easy, and I know when I first started, I've always thought like these conditioners and stuff were just to give an extra shine, which they do, but they're actually made to protect your plastics and leather from cracking in the sun, from receiving sun damage. So I just wanted to throw that out there in case any of you, new people didn't know that. Well, just want to be able to help you guys out and understand that. Alrighty everybody, so we're about to get started on the outside of the vehicle, and we just want to show you a quick preview of what the vehicle looks like before, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into our premium service. This vehicle usually takes us about 2 hours to complete. So like always, what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and start on our tires, rims, the barrels of our rims first. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and jump onto the rest of the vehicle. So what you see here going on is what we're doing is we're actually doing a pre-foam or a foam bath. before we apply any contact to the vehicle. We let it sit for a few minutes. What I'm doing is I'm working on the front. It had a bunch of bugs caked on, so I wanted to take care of that. And then, like I said, a few minutes, we let it sit, and then we rinse it off. What that does for the vehicle, if you guys have not seen our previous videos, I would encourage you guys to check it out. But this gives the best results for your services, and this is why we charge what we charge when it comes to our premium services, because of course it's never going to be perfect when it comes to your process, but this is the best way possible. It is highly recommended. It avoids swirls, small scratches being embedded in the paint of your vehicle due to your pre-foam. Then we rinse it off, and then once again we went back at it again, and then we made our contact wash after. So right here what we're doing is we're just blowing it off before we even touch the vehicle. And I know it's going to be hard to see, but what we did is we're drying it off, but we did spray some bead maker to enhance the paint, give it that extra gloss. And then because we use spot-free water and then our drying process, you don't have to rinse too much. All right, so we're all finished up. Here's our after. I'm gonna go ahead and just walk you through real quick our process. Everything's done, completely scrubbed and conditioned, treated. So I hope this video can be helpful for you guys. And if you didn't get enough information, what we're pretty much encouraging you to do in order to make more money for your business is create a middle package and sell that. So once again, this is our premium service. It goes from $100 to $175. We made $160 off of this vehicle. If you were to get a few of those a week, you're gonna increase in numbers. If you can get a few of those in a day, you're gonna see your numbers skyrocket. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. God bless you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. And we just passed our 500 subscriber mark. Thank you guys, all of support. God bless you guys. Have a good one.